you can find
all the animals.
Yeah, and I want to see the
family treasure.
Cause my favorite
Family treasure. The crystal
Flower.
Are you serious?
No.
can sound like A for
Yes!
B.
Bitch!
C.
What? Dick.
Dance, dance, duh, dance, snad, snad, snad.
E.T. phoned home.
She loved her green cat that she named Jeff and hated words that began with the letter F.
Fuck!
J. J. H. H.
Oh, for crying out loud.
I.
I'm gay.
Wait a minute. What? You two put those letters together.
J.
Big K.
Oh, look over there. What? See that?
Nazis.
Penis.
P. Pass!
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
U.
Queer!
R.
Racist.
S.
Shit!
T.
There, girl, right.
Who are you? I'm you 10 minutes from now.
Damn it, you are handsome.
I was just thinking the same. We are sexy.
We are sexy bitches, yeah!
A shooting star. I wish I could fly. Wait, that's not a shooting star. Couldn't land closer, huh?
W.
T F.
What the fuck?!
X.
XXX, my X is hot.
Doom Doom was a happy calf. He lived with his family in a big field. He liked to play, eat grass, and feel the sun.
Wait. Hold on a second, hold on.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe this. This is horrible.
What's horrible? Telly?
There is no
Crystal
Flower.
in this jungle. We can't see a
family treasure.
if there's no
Crystal
Flower.
What? Uh-oh. Wow! You mean I just saw
someone got us killed!
Yes!
The crystal
flower.
Yeah! Elmo and Telly and Zoe did it!
Yes! 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 Come on, guys. There's only one thing left to do. Have a
Rainforest.
party!
a big ton of moolah. There's a Lion King craze.
Now what does the rainforest tell you yet? The place is dense and warm and wet. At the equator, the whole world round, where the trees come up and the rain comes down. Rainforest, jungles where the wild things grow, from the Amazon to Borneo. Rainforest, every kind of creature sure as you're born, from the Tropic of Cancer to Capricorn. Everything grows into vines and shoots, flowers and brush and the trees and fruits. Rainforest, the rain comes down, the trees come up, the parrots and the plants and the elephants. Rainforest, snakes and sloths and the birds that sing, lizards, frogs, every living thing. Saddleback, caterpillar, stag beetle roam, butterflies, turtlefish call it home. Rainforest, bats and bugs, bonobos too, gorillas and chimps and the wild baboon. Rainforest, green chameleon sticks out his tongue, turns a different color when a big snake comes. Rhino to the orangutan, coming rare by the ways of man. Rainforest, vines and leaves wet, wild and lush, bush baby climbs to the underbrush. Rainforest, waterfalls and sweet perfume, hummingbirds and the orchids bloom. Jungles where the wild things grow, from the Amazon to the Borneo. Rainforest, every kind of creature sure as you're born, from Tropic of Cancer to Capricorn.